can conceive a baby at any age. Understanding IVF laws in India. Birth of Sidhu Moosewala's baby brother has stirred controversy, particularly regarding the legal status of newborn child. The Union Health Ministry has requested a detailed report from Punjab government regarding the IVF treatment undergone by Sidhu Moosewala's mother, Charan Kaur. The couple decided to pursue IVF to conceive their second child nearly 2 years later, the tragic death of losing their first and their very own son. According to an Indian Express report, Moosewala's parents had travelled abroad for IVF procedure, but the baby was eventually born in India. Circumstances surrounding the baby's birth have raised questions about the legalities and regulations governing IVF treatments, prompting further investigation by the health authorities. Well, if you are someone who is planning to conceive a baby through IVF, or if you know someone who wants to undergo IVF, especially in more mature stage of life, planning a later pregnancy, you must be aware of the legal aspects of IVF in India. What is legal status of IVF in India? The ART Regulation Act 2021 imposes age restrictions on assisted reproductive technology, which is ART. Well, this is due to the health risk associated with advanced maternal ages. Women's equality diminishes with age, leading to higher rates of miscarriages, chromosomal abnormalities, and reduced effectiveness of the IVF. When you plan a baby at the later ages, there are increased chances of miscarriages, pregnancy loss, and even premature birth. There are increased chances of cesarean C-section for the mother. Well, the law mandates women seeking ART services must be between 21 and 50 years old, while men must be between 21 and 55 of age. While IVF is possible at older ages, using donor eggs is often recommended for better success rates. Attempting IVF at the age of 50 can lead to significant medical complications. The law aims to prevent misuse of ART while safeguarding the health of both mother and child. Hope you like this video. For more such videos, subscribe to the Daily Guardian.